Okay. Welcome to this presentation. I know you've landed here, maybe from the ad that you've seen, maybe from you as my friend connecting with me and really wanting to know what I'm really doing and how I'm able to really being able to generate some extra income in the online space. And actually, the main thing is crashing the financial market. So we'll just start with the first. I'll just dive in straight to the point without wasting a single time or moment. The future of technology is changing and it's evolving every single day. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take advantage of that right now as we get into the next step, which I just want to focus on really introducing myself. My name is Dennis Mwabu. I'm a digital marketing expert. I've been in this space for the last 5 years. I've been able to experience different businesses and grow different businesses in the online space, and I've really been able to really focus also on helping people working with different business partners. So I am a person that I have been able to really have a great experience in the online space. But before I waste any single of your minute right now, I just want to ask you some few questions, okay? And if you answer yes to these questions, you really don't need to continue with the presentation. Just get out because this is not for you. I want to ask you something. Do you have enough money? Right? For myself, I don't have enough money. I'm always looking for more money and more money and more money to be able to grow my wealth, to be able to grow my bank accounts, to be able to become financially free. Do you have everything you have been dreaming of? Are you happy with how your life is going at the moment? Right? If the answers are yes to all these questions, I just don't want to waste your time. I want you to do this. Just click the exit button, click the close button, and get out of this presentation. But for those who have said no to all these questions that I'm asking, I want you to continue with me on this presentation. So I've done a lot of research, I've done a lot of testing, I've really been putting a lot of work to what I'm really going to present to you. And it's not only me, it's me and a whole team behind. If you watch the full video on the other website, you've been able to see the website, you've been able to see not the website, sorry, you've been able to see the office, you've been able to see the team behind everything that you're doing. It's something that you've really put a lot of effort, you've really put a lot of energy, and you're positioning ourselves to we are positioning ourselves at the exact good time to really get into the marketplace. So for what I'm going to share with you personally through SmartKid, I've been able to see it being a success. And I want you also to be successful. And I will really not feel, I'm not selfish enough to be able to have something that is working for me, not sharing it with some of my friends, the people who are connecting with me, and the people who are knowing me better. I'll not be selfish. I will share with you because I know this is something that is going to actually impact some people who will take action. This is something that is really going to change their lives and will be thanking me and saying, wow, I appreciate Dennis because I took action. Okay, because the strategy I'm going to share with you, it's something that has really been able to help me generate $20 to $50 a day from just copy pasting some strategy that I'm actually going to share with you. And this is exactly what I want you to have in your hands. And I want you to think about how this will look if you're generating approximately $20 to $50 each and every day, right? And if this does not hook you, this does not get your attention, I don't know what you'll be looking for. In the first month, you'll be making around $600. This means that you're making a minimum of $20 each and every month from the system and strategy that I am going to share with you on this presentation today on how you can crash and dominate the financial market. The second month, you'll be looking at $1,200. This is $1,200 extra cash into your pocket, extra money into your pocket. And then the third month, you'll be looking at $1,800. On the fourth month, it's $2,400. The fifth month is $3,000, and the sixth month is $3,600. This is if you're making a consistent income of $20 every single day. And I want you to imagine, how will this change your life in the next 6 months? How will everything, having $3,600? My name, actually, I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. With our economy, with how everything is, $3,600 in my bank account, extra cash that I've earned very easily through coping strategies, just through following mentors with the help of SmartKid. I can say that that is really good amount of money. That's a considerable amount of money. I want to give you an offer. If you stay up to the end of this presentation, I'm going to be giving you a free voucher that is worth up to $1,800, that you can use it to go for your dream vacation. You can use it to go and travel the world. So stick around to this presentation up to the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you the details on how you can be able to get access to this voucher. At the last slide is where I'll have written there details. Okay, so I want you to stick around up to the end. I want you to really understand everything that I'm sharing with you, and I'll be able to reward your time and appreciate the energy and effort and time that you've been able to put in here today to be able to really understand and learn how I'm really able to use our SmartKid system to really grow and really be able to make some extra income in the financial space. So my name is Dennis Mabu, as I mentioned earlier. I live in Nairobi. I'm just an ordinary dude from a family which by any means cannot be able actually to be called a well-off family. I was born middle-aged parents who could actually not afford basic, like, we could not afford like going for vacations, luxury things that we usually see people actually doing. And this was something that was really bothering me. Right now you can see that picture. I travel around the world. I'm able to go to different vacations whenever I feel like, because of the amazing system that I'm going to share with you. I was a little, so like, for example, as little as I remember, we usually go to travel up country, go and visit our grandparents, our grandfathers and grandmothers, and that's the farthest you could go. So I'm just an average guy, just like you, but someone who has really understood the power of partnering, and also someone who has really understood the power of copying and pasting, guys. I want you to really understand this is as simple as copying and pasting different strategies that we'll be sharing with you, and you'll be able to get into profits into the financial markets. Right now, I'm not sharing this to like brag or anything, but it's to impress upon you. I'm not driving my dream car, which has always been a Toyota Mark X. Toyota Mark X here in Kenya, Nairobi, is one of the car that young guys are really booming with it. Okay. I really wanted to have a V6 engine, be able to test and hear the speed, the power, and really enjoy it. But this was not the case before. Okay, this was really not the case. I was really broke college guy, trying to look for different opportunities, trying to join 1,001 businesses, trying to Google how to make money online, going to YouTube, watching different videos, buying courses that I was actually just losing money, and things were not adding up. Okay, things were not adding up. Okay, I was joining network marketing businesses, all these things, affiliate marketing, tried even forex. I remember a few years ago, and I really lost a lot of money that I didn't even have. I was actually borrowing the money. So in all this, I was trying to figure out what will be the one thing that will help me make money. And if you're here right now and this is what you're trying, maybe you've tried different forex things, buy about bots. I remember I actually bought some bots a while ago and I lost crazy. It was huge amount of money, but I keep on moving forward. Okay, if you're here and you're looking for financial freedom that you've always dreamt, okay, if you're here and you're also looking for that extra coin to be able to help you pay for that vacation, to be able to help you pay for the school fees for your kids, to be able to help you put food on the table, to be able to help you do that extra thing that is really pushing you to the wall because of financial constraints, this is for you. This is for you. All right. I tried different things, and honestly, it had gotten to a point whereby I was like, wow, I've tried network marketing business, I've tried affiliate marketing business, I've tried selling shoes, I've tried make money online videos, watching 1,001 videos on YouTube about trading forex, tried investing, tried using different strategies, and I was the most skeptical person that you could ever talk to about anything related to forex trading, anything related to network marketing, or anything related to making money online. But as soon as I got a system that I will actually just push the button and really start generating income, it really blew up my mind. So I want you to remind you again, if you stick with me, stay with me up to the end of the presentation, I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to reward your time, your energy, your effort for you being with me here with a travel voucher worth $1,800. I'll be able to drop the details at the end of this video presentation. So these are some of the results that I have been able to see other people getting using this system. And I was like, wow, if people can get results like this on this system, remember, this is a system whereby all you need to do is click a button and all the work is done. And I know if you're thinking that this is cliche, you're thinking that, wow, how does this work? Stick with me because I'm going to be sharing with you practically how we've been able to make this possible. It's all about simplifying everything and bringing everything into place to be able to make any single person, even if you're this person who right now in your mind you're like, wow, I've never been in the forex space. I don't know about cryptocurrency. Maybe you're in this place whereby you're like, wow, I've lost a lot of money in this thing. It doesn't work. I want you to do this. Forget about everything, because what you're doing here is you're taking all your worries, you're taking all your challenges. We are testing every single thing. And what works is what we come and tell you, hey, this is what is working into the marketplace. All you want to do is do this, copy this, paste it here, apply this strategy, use it here. And all you need to do is follow the instructions to be able to get into profits. That's amazing, right? We're doing all the work for you. Thank the amazing team at SmartKid. We thank the amazing kid at SmartKid FX, and every trainer and every person who is involved in this. So I saw. All right, so this is some of the testimonials that I've been able to get, and also some of the testimonials of people who have joined my private group that I've been able to get from using this system. You can see these are Telegram screenshots that I was able to take. These are some of the screenshots that people are sending to me after I actually launched in a test group that you are having, to be able to make sure that before I take it outside there, before we take it outside there, as SmartKid FX, we are really able to say that we have a system that we have tested. We have a system that we have shared to a few close friends and family members we work with, and we have seen that this is something that is really working. Before we get it outside there into the public. So I want to share with you all this. The reason I'm sharing with you all this is to be crystal clear about everything I'm sharing with you here. It's something that is already working. It's something that has already been proven, tested, and showed results consistently over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, so it has never been this easier like it is right now to actually win in the financial market. I want you to discover the fastest and easy way to create money with our simple profit trading secret strategies that you have developed at SmartKid FX. And this is how I actually make an extra $20 to $50 a day without any work, introducing SmartKid FX. When I say without any work, let me just share with you some secrets. I run a company, right? I'm a CEO of a marketing agency. I have an 8 to 5 job, and I still use this SmartKid FX system to be able to make extra income. All I do is just get into my laptop, push a button, and all the work is done for me. So I keep on focusing on doing what is really important to me, and the process of the backend has been simplified, and it's really helping me do the work, and I'm really able to generate profits. So let me start by saying that, I wasn't always successful in trading. In the beginning, I actually lost a lot of money. I had to practice over and over and over and over. spend a lot of time watching different videos, watching different entry points, methods, and strategies. And today I can proudly say that my secret strategy are giving me consistent. I want to emphasize on giving me consistent profits every single day, and I want to share this with you. I want to share with you this with you guys. So, why do beginners need a simplified trading method to profit from the financial markets? Okay, the professionals outside there, the professional traders, most often do what we call an in-depth technical analysis. All right, but let's face it all, guys. Let's face it all. This can be years to master, even if you're a fast learner. So, how can a beginner like you profit from binary? How can a beginner like you profit from crypto? How can a beginner like you profit from forex without being a survey in the financial market? All right, is it even possible? Can you be able to do that? Yes, obviously, it's possible. I have done it. I am not tech savvy. I am not a fast learner. I'm the dumbest person when it comes to crypto and forex. But what's happening is I am able to generate a minimum of $50 each and every single day, being able to fund my life, being able to run my businesses, and being able to really help me live that life that I have always wanted to live. I am not yet financially free because we are just getting started with smart kid effects and everything that is going on. We're on the ground level, and there's nothing sweet than you partnering with us and joining us on the ground level. So, just a quick reminder, stay up to the end and you'll be able to get a free travel voucher that is worth up to $1,800, and you're really able to take it to use it to go and travel and experience the dream destination. I actually call them bucket list. One, we want to help you tick one of your bucket list today. So make sure to stick around with this presentation up to the end, because at the end of the presentation, on the last slide, is where I'm really going to be sharing what and how you can be able to redeem this. So, I believe that this profit system that you've been able to create, all right, we found a simple way on how to trade, and it just works very well for ourselves. You could be among the first people that you can get it into your hands, and I'm about to show you this beginner friendly trading method that you can use without any prior knowledge or experience. It is so easy that you will need only two indicators and a strategy that I'll be sharing with you to just tweak a little bit things, and there will be something that we call the SmartKid FX robots that will be actually doing the work for you based on technical analysis indicators. If you don't understand this, if you've never been in the online space, in the online space in terms of forex and trading, please don't get confused. I'm going to be sharing with you practically how this works, and you'll be able to see how easy it is and how simple it is to be able to start getting profit. So stick around with me, because in a few minutes from now, you'll be able to go from opening a trading account, if you have never done that before, to setting up your two little indicators exactly like me, how I'm doing it, to learn how to get in and out of trades, taking profit, and it's all detailed below on this presentation I'm going to be sharing with you here practically. All right, so let's get into the real thing, guys. Let's get into the real thing. What exactly do you need? I know this may sound, for the professionals, for people who have been trading, for people who have been in the financial markets, this may sound to be very, very cliche. This may sound to be the last, this may sound to be like the obvious thing to do when analyzing the market, but I want to share with you something here that is very, very a secret strategy that I've actually realized. We have actually developed a SmartKid FX team. It's not me only, it's me and a whole team. We have a team of developers, we have a team of trading experts, we have a team of people who analyze the markets, people who analyze the charts, and we come up with all these strategies. So, three things that you need to focus on. The first thing you need to focus on is what we call the support. And I'm going to be sharing with you in a little bit how the support works. And then the second thing that you need to focus on is what we call the resistance. Okay, and then what that thing is what you call actually the relative strength index. This is the RSI. Okay, so in the financial market, you'll find that you have the support lines, and you can see that the support is really drawn there very, very well. So this is where the price, for example, if we have a lot of buyers, okay, if you can check here, the price is going down. We have a lot of buyers who are buying, 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 buying. The price will be able to get into a region whereby not sorry not buyers, if we have people who are selling, 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 the price will be able to get into a region whereby it will have a shift, or it will have a bounce back on, whereby we start getting people who are, after people who are selling, we start getting people who are buying, 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 buying. So the region where the prices actually shift from selling to buying is what you call the resistance level, the support level. Sorry, as you can see, it is drawn here. It is the support level. So when people start buying, 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 the charts cannot like go buying, 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 buying. If people are buying, 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 we have to get somewhere whereby people will start selling, selling, selling. So the region whereby the price gets, and then we start getting a lot of sellers into the marketplace who are now selling, we call that the resistance level. Okay, so you can see here, this is on the second chart where I've written resistance. So you can see this is a practical example in the charts on where the resistance level. You can see here we have buyers, 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 buyers who are getting into the marketplace, and then when it gets here, we have sellers, sellers, sellers. Sorry, we have sellers, sellers, sellers. When it gets into the resistance level, we have buyers, 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 and then it gets into the resistance level, we have people who are selling, 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 selling. It gets into the support level. When it gets to the support level, we have people who are buying, 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 buying. And you can see here, the support level has been confirmed different times. It has been confirmed 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5 times. So when the price gets along this region, if you're a trader, you need to know that this is a resistance level, and what you need to do is you need to start looking at signals that will indicate that the price, when it reaches here, it will not continue going down, but it has written a support level whereby it will be able to bounce back and go high. When the price also reaches on a resistance level that has been able to be confirmed several times, and the chart and the graph is actually heading to that region, you want to start looking at some of the indicators that will tell you that the price will actually start moving down as soon as it reaches into the resistance level. And that's how the support and resistance level basically works. This is the most basic, strong thing that you're supposed to focus to help you really win into the financial markets. And I'll still be showing you some other images of the support and resistance level. So what are some of these indicators that you're hearing me saying that these indicators will actually help you understand if the price is actually going down, or the price is actually going up, or the price will actually just continue consolidating? We have one indicator that I want you to focus on right now, because on our private groups, on our private coachings, we'll be sharing with you more indicators that you can actually get started with, and really be able to share with you different strategies. But this is the 3 indicators that I want to share with you, that after you're out of this presentation, you can go apply them and start making money. The support, resistance, and the RSI. This is the relative strength index. So for the RSI, you can see we have an RSI whereby it is overbought and oversold. So when the price is on the overbought region, which is on the 70, right? You can see here we have 70 and we have 30. On the 70 line, it means that buyers have already gotten into the marketplace. The price has already been overbought, right? It is 70, and when you see the RSI has crossed the 70, it means that the price will actually go down. This is one indicator that shows you that the price has got into the resistance region. On the RSI, the price is overbought, which means that it has crossed the 70 line, and which tells you that in the next 5 or 10 minutes, the price will actually continue moving down. So stick around with me. This is the resistance level and the support level again. You can see here, this is the resistance level. Price has moved up, gotten into this region, and then it has moved down again. It has started consolidating. It has reached down to the support level. It has been pushed up again. It has gone down again, down. It has reached into the support level. To the support level, this has been pushed again. It has reached to the resistance level, and it has been able to tell, hey man, can you please go back where you're coming from? Okay, so that's how the support and resistance work. You can also see here it again. We have support, breaking support, it becomes the new resistance. So I want to explain to you here a little bit. When you have the support line here, and now on the price action, you have that. You see, on this region, we're expecting, on this where it's written breaking support, we're expecting that when the price comes here, this is the support, it will be able to bounce back and continue going up. But what happens is the price broke the support level. So if the price breaks the support level, what happens is it becomes the new resistance, the new resistance level. So what you want to start looking at is, you want to start looking at when will the price get into the new resistance level, and then you'll predict by the confirmation of the RSI that if the RSI is overbought and the price has reached the resistance level, then all these are signs that are telling you the price is going to go down. It's not going to break it, it's going to go down. The RSI is overbought, and the price is going to go down. So this is the RSI also, relative strength index. You can see here on the 70, it means that the price has been overbought. When it crosses the 70 line, it means that the price is more likely to go down. When it gets into the oversold, it means that the price will have a shift and it will start moving up. So I want you to master this. Master the support and resistance regions, okay? Master the support and resistance regions, break into the support, and I want you to master the relative strength index, okay? So a quick reminder again, stick around up to the end of this presentation, and I'll be able to give you a free voucher that is worth up to $1,800 that will really be able to help you it will really be able to help you really travel around the world, and it will really be able to help you enjoy the vacation. So how have I been able to really has this strategy really been able to really give me results? Yes, you can see this is some of when I was beginning. Actually, this was completely, look for the screenshots whereby I was really beginning. I was on the ground level. I did not understand everything. I was using that strategy in terms of the support, resistance, and using the RSI region, and I was really getting into profit. So, but how was I doing this? Okay, how was I doing this? We have the smart kid effects bots, okay, whereby we use technical analysis to be able to come up with bots that give us signals. For example, I've showed you the support and resistance and how they work. The support, resistance, and relative, and the RSI. Okay, the support, resistance, and the RSI. So what happens here is on the smart kid effects bots, what happens is the bot helps you, instead of you staying on the charts, instead of you wasting a lot of time on the charts, trying to analyze trying to wait for the price get into the support region, trying to wait for the price get into the resistance region. What happens is we have bots that gives you indicators, right? Bots that shows you When the price gets into the resistance level, it gives you a signal and tells you the price has gotten into the resistance level. But still, we have been able to set the bot in that it gives you a confirmation and tells you that the price has been able to get into the resistance level, and the price has also been confirmed with the RSI that it is overbought or oversold when it's on the support level. When the price is on the support level, you are able to be told by the bot that the price has gotten the support level, and also the RSI indicator is oversold. So most probably what will happen to the price, it will be able to bounce back if it is in the support level and continue moving up. If it is in the resistance level, it will bounce down and continue moving down. All right. So if you don't understand that, don't worry. I just want to jump a little bit into the bot and show you how it works live. And after that, you'll be able to really understand how it's easy to implement this thing. So the bot really does the magic. Even if you don't understand anything, all you do is you come be part of the Smart Kid FX team, and we show you how you can set up your bot. And after that, you just activate the bot and say, hey, start running. You just click a button, the bot start runs, and you're really able to generate significant good amount of income. So I want to jump into the exact process and show you practice. Right. So this is one of the platform that we'll be using. It's on Pocket Option, but I want to give you a disclaimer. Okay. So if you go right now and say, let me go and open my Pocket Option account, what will happen is you'll be able to open your Pocket Option account, yes, but you will not be able to get access. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to get access to our bot. Okay. So what I'll recommend you do is you want to open your Pocket Option under Smart Kid so that we can be able to help you and show you how the bot works. So as I'll show you now practically, so that you can also be able to connect to you the bot in your account. You can only, I want to repeat that, you can only get the bot if you've registered. If you go outside there independently, register on Pocket Option and start trading, well and good. You can use the strategy that I've shared with you. But if you register under us, this is Monthly FX, we'll be able to get a bot that will be able to help you trade more and be profitable, and also you'll be able to show you how you're not able to really blow your account. So this is a demo account. You can see here also the good thing is you're also to get into a lot of testing to be able to see if what we are sharing with you here is really correct. So I'll show you with you, these are charts. Okay, this is a chart. This is a chart, and I'll show you the practicality of it, and also I'll share with you how the bot is actually working. So you can see this is the RSI indicator that I was talking about, and this is the chart. So let's first look at where the price is, and let's look at what are some of the support and resistance areas that are around. Okay, so this is which currency? This is Euro USD. So let's try and look at the support and resistance levels on the chart. So I'll just take an indicator here and try to draw. This is a support level. Okay, this here is a support level. Here is a support level. You can see it has been confirmed twice. So let's draw. This is the support zone. This is the support zone. Okay, so let's just, this is the support zone. Okay, so what we do, how do you enter trade here so that you can be able to profit into the marketplace? So you can see here, this is the support level. It got into the support level, and then it went up, and then it came down, got into the support level again, and then the price went up. So what you do is you expect this price now to come all the way, get into this support level. Let's try and show you practically here. Let's use you can use a line to be able to draw, to be able to think there's no line here. Okay, so what will happen is you'll wait for the price to move. Forget about these lines. Just let's focus on this support line here. You'll expect the price to come up to this region. Okay, up to this region, so that now you can predict if the price will go this way again. So this is where now our bot comes through. The bot is able to identify that, wow, this is a major support region. So, and it comes here and identifies also this is a major support region. And what it does is it's able now to enter the trade here. Okay, so this is a support region. Then let's look at resistant region. Also, you can see this is a good resistant region here. Okay, here, this is a good resistance region. It has been able, you can see it has been able to, the first time it was confirmed, okay, it hit the resistance level. So you can also just go back a little bit to see if this is a resistance region that was actually, it was previously broken. Remember what you said, it was a support region before. Okay, here it was a support, it was broken, became the new resistance. So you see, anytime the price comes here as this new resistance, it went down. Okay, let's just go, let's continue. Anytime the price came on this resistance level, it went down. Anytime the price reached out to this resistance level, it went down. Also here, these are things that we call fake breakouts. What is more likely to happen is the price is more likely to come down. Okay, so things like the failed breakout are things that you'll be able to be taught in our SmartFX private group team, whereby in just a few minutes I'll be able to share with you how you're able to be part of it and join. So I've been able to show you the support and resistance. So the other thing is the RSI, and you can see this is the RSI. We'll say the RSI, it's when it's 70, it's overbought, when it's 30, is oversold. So how do you identify these indicators? So we'll just do something practically here on the charts. Okay, so let's see a region whereby the price came into the resistance level and really went down. So you can see there is a line that is crossing from the bottom here all the way to the up. So I want you to take a look at that line. So here, you can see here is where on the RSI indicator, it was overbought, right? It was on the 70 region. And on the charts, we had the price reaching into a resistance level, and you can see what happened. It actually went down. Okay, it actually went down. So let's see here. Okay, here also the price was overbought. It was on the 50-30 region. It was overbought. So what happened is the price, it was overbought. It was also, it had touched support level, and what happened is the price went up again. So you can see also here the price got into overbought, touched the resistance level, and as I told you, the price is more likely to go down. Okay, so you can also see here whereby the price broke, um here here whereby the price touched the resistance level. This was not a really good entry, and also this is some of the things that we are going to be sharing with you, how to really leverage all of these things. So as I've showed you the support, resistance level, and the RSI, this really works very, very, very well in terms of helping you be profitable. So it is very, very time consuming, guys, to always wait. Like for example, you can see right now, this price has still not gotten into this support level. It is still trying to figure out how it wants to go. Is it up or down? So what we do, we have a bot. A bot really identifies this region based on the setup that you have been able to give it with the indicators. So this is just not bots that just trade the market from the blues. Okay, it is just duplicating your knowledge in terms of understanding the financial markets and giving the bot really clear indicators of what it's supposed to do. And all you need to do is just activate it. And that I'll just activate my bot right now here. Hope it will be able to take a transaction. I really want you to see it taking a transaction live. Okay, so you can see here, these are my strategies. You have also basic strategies that we have created for all our members that are very, very profitable basic strategies. So I'll be able to share with you. Let me activate one of my bot strategy to see how it works. Okay, so it identifies a region, a very fertile region, and it's able to execute the trade. So let's see if it will be able to execute a trade. I've been able to put it on. So let me reload and let's see if it will be able to trade. So it has been activated. So you can see, like, for today, these are some of the trades I was actually trading, and you can see, yes, we always also experience days that you win, days that you lose. As I've told you, the bot is using technical analysis, and on the Smart Kid FX, what we really focus on is really helping you also understand financial management and how you can really be able to get back your money, how you can really be able to make profits, and also on the losing days. Okay, nobody should ever lie to you and tell you that there's no day that you cannot profit into. And tell you that every day it's a day that you can profit into the marketplace. No, 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 no. That will be a very big lie. There are days that you actually lose, and that when in those days that you actually lose is when now people, if you don't have a system, a strategy on getting all the profits, on getting back the profits on the days that you have lost, is when now you start hearing people saying that forex is a scam, cryptocurrency is a scam, binary is a scam, but they haven't been told, and they haven't been explained that, hey, there are days that you lose, and on these days that you lose, you have to have a backup strategy. Still, what you are doing should be able to generate you income. It's just like a business. Okay, it's just like a business, how you run a business. There are days that when you open the business, you're going to be incurring a lot of losses. And there are days that you are going to be incurring a lot of profits. So you have to have strategy to balance the both and make sure that you are having more wins, you're having more profits than more losses. Okay, I'm trying to figure out if the bots will just take a transaction. Sometimes it's usually delays because of it usually tries to really analyze. Right now it's actually analyzing a lot of charts. It's actually trying to analyze different charts. It's going to, for example, it's going to this chart and trying to figure out where is the support level as the RSI indicator. Is it on the overbought? Is it on the oversell? So that it can be able to get into that trade. So I'm sure the reason why we are not seeing any action being taken is because I guess that is what is happening. Maybe you can try a basic strategy and see if one will go breaking through the level. Okay, Bollinger. Yes, 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 exactly. Good. So now you can see we have been able to have, okay, it has been able to identify a region. You can see I'm not the one who has executed um, that transaction. So I want you to take a look at what has happened here. Okay, I want you to take a look at what has happened here. We have a region of resistance, which is this. Okay, so let me show you what we mean by bots. These are bots, but these are bots that are trained and are instructed to use technical analysis, just the way an expert would actually analyze these charts and get into the trades, is how the bots are actually working. So you can see this is exactly what I'll do. I'll figure out that this is a resistance level. Okay, this is a very good resistance level. It was confirmed here the first time, and now it has been confirmed here by the RSI level being overbought. Okay, you can see the RSI level has been it's overbought, and it has been confirmed as the resistance level, and now my bot has been able to execute that transaction, and you can see the price is going all the way down, and you can see I'm all the way into profits here. Okay, I'm all the way into profits here. Okay, and that's how this bot really works. Hope you've really hope you've really understood. It is not a bot that is just trying to gamble or do anything. It's just a bot that at SmartKid FX you have really developed it to be able to help all the people in our team to be able to save a lot of time. And people who don't know about technical analysis, for example, if you're here and you're not really understanding what I'm talking about the support resistance level, all you need to do is just come, take your bot, all right, get into the basic strategies that we have for you, and then activate one. There's a video that will be explaining everything, and you let the bot trade for you. It's like me and our best market and our best trading strategist coming on board and show and actually trading for you on your accounts. It's just that's the same thing. That's what you're doing here. So this is a trade that you've been able to execute, and that is how it works. So I've really been able to show you the trading bots, and I'll really don't want to take a lot of the time. I'm sure you're excited. You've seen how so I'm sure you're excited right now. You've seen how the bots are working, and you're like, wow, Dennis, how can I be able to get started in this? I really don't know how to trade, but yo, the bot is really focusing on technical analysis, being able to focus on, it's not gambling, it's not like just trying to look at your luck and everything. The bot is it's really instructed to do the work that I personally will do. You see, when I sit down and start trading, how the bot is trading is exactly how I would do. So we're thinking of a system of, if someone does not know how to trade, they not understand this market at all, and they know nothing about it, how can they be able to come inside there and be able to just take our strategies without even learning technical analysis, and just press a button, and they'll really be able to get results. And from the bot, I've been this as I was a beginner, this is how I was getting the results. Okay, and we're having a lot of people sharing their testimonials. So we also have the SmartKid FX futures, trading crypto futures, whereby you get daily highly quality and tested signals. So helping you making actually $20 to $50 is the least. Okay, we have a lot on the table for you. So on these signals, what we do is we have a team of around 5 to 10 people who always test all of these signals. The company invests its own money for it, and we look at these signals if they are working before we share it to the audience that you are sharing. Okay, so this is some of the results that you have been able to get from the SmartKid FX signals. You can see this was a 212.01% profit. This was a 166.26% profit, 82.90% profit, 80.54% profit. So you'll be able also at SmartKid FX, we'll have videos and showing you how you can trade the futures and how you can really start generating an extra income. So we have also the SmartKid FX crypto coin RPX. All right, so what this means is this is a crypto coin, this is a cryptocurrency that the company has developed. We have our own software developers that we have created our own coin known as RPX. And I want to share with you some of the results since the coin was launched, and you can see we are getting a lot of, for example, you can see here is the coin was just getting great value. It was at $8. Right now it's at $36. So if you had a lot of RPX in your account, you can imagine how much money will you be making. And also this, when you join the SmartKid FX program, you'll be able to get access to our RPX coin. Okay, so this is not a coin from someone else or anything. This is a coin that we have developed. Okay, we have also even a stable coin known as RPX USD, whereby we are launching something so big in it. And that's why I'm telling you, you really don't want to lose on this opportunity. You want to be on the ground level on this as we show you everything. So a company that has already developed its own cryptocurrency coin is a company that you cannot trust? Is it a company that will not be able to help the members in the team not really make $20 a day? I guess the answer definitely on that is a big no. We have our own blockchain technology, understood how to develop this thing from the scratch. We are just not the people who talk outside there. Even the bots, as I've shown you, very unique bots that are really focusing on technical analysis and indicators that you have tested over and over and over to be able to give you the right signals, high quality signals, based on how it's like our top, I repeat this again, it's like our top experts and top traders in the world being able to get into your laptop through the bot and trade. How will that be? How will you feel? And you're outside there on a vacation, you're outside there spending time with your family, you're outside there doing your other businesses, and you are guaranteed that SmartKid FX is doing the job for you, and it will be able to help you get profits. Okay, profits. So how do you get started? Okay, we have how to get started. We have 3 packages. We have the first package, goes for $100 a month. We have the second package that goes for $200 a month, and then we have the fourth package that goes for $400 a month. So on the $100 a month, you get access to our training membership. You get physical trainings at our offices, the experts, beginner to advanced forex and crypto trading. You're able to get that with $100. And then we have the $200, whereby you get the training membership, you get the physical training, you get online coaching, Zoom calls, one-on-one with our expert. You get now access to our trading robots. Okay, with the $200 a month, we always update the robot to different strategies that are working every single time. So that's why you need also to always stay in the group. And then we have $400 for access to our training bots. You get access on a one-on-one coaching call. You get access to our future signals. You're able to learn to trade with our cryptocurrency, which is RPX, which is such a big thing that $400 is very little actually. And then you also get to connect directly with our forex gurus, join our private Telegram group and WhatsApp group to get 24/7 support. I know maybe right now the figures might be shocking you a little bit and you're like, wow, Dennis, I really want to take the $200 package, but $200 a month is a little bit expensive. And we have an offer for every people who will take action after watching this video in the next 24 hours. You'll be able to get access to this at an offer price of, for the trainings, $50, for the training and the bot, $100 a month, which is a very good discount offer. And for the other one, access to our training bots, one-on-one coaching call, signals, learning, everything. So I want to bring you back. Okay, for example, let's say if you take the $150 per month, this is the one that I'll really recommend. Okay, and let me remind you something of what I showed you here. You can imagine if you've gotten in with the 150 package, and each and every month you're paying 150, right? But how much are you making? Okay, the first month you'll have made $600. So let's do the math. Okay, you've paid $160. Okay, you've paid $150. So let's do the math. $600 minus $150. You have $450 profit for the first month. Okay, for the second month you pay another $150. Remember, you already got your profit. So let's just remove the $150 from the $1,200 minus $150. You'll be having $1,050 as profit. So it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. I really actually don't need to justify it. It sells itself. The value is there. I've shown you how we are using this, and we have other products that are developing each and every single day, right? Even for example, if you actually got this package for the $400 a month, you've all seen you're having a profit of $450. So this is a no-brainer offer, especially for the $50. If you can't really afford the $150, please pick the $100 per month, that you can be able to get access to our trading robots. They do the work for you, and you're able to be into profits. Okay, so I just want to also show you just a risk disclaimer, a risk warning, that we're not a financial company, we're not financial advisors. All this training that you're doing here is just recommendations and strategies that you're actually sharing with you guys, things that you've tested and seeing that they're working, but you're not a financial institution. And I want to get in, or financial expert, and I want to get into how you get your $1,800 vacation, for actually thanking you and saying congratulations for staying on this presentation up to the end, up to right now. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your time. I want to give you access to the $1,800. So congratulations. What do you need to do? You just need to go pick your phone, text me on my WhatsApp number, +2540792050166. Text me, just text me and tell me, hey, I've watched the video. Amazing training. If you have any question, just ask me any question, but just text me and tell me, I've watched the whole training. Please, I need access to the travel voucher, and I'll be sending to you directly with more details on how to activate it. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can get into my IG at DM Mwabu. Just send me a DM there and tell me, hey, I want the travel voucher. I've been able to watch your training. If you have any questions, ask me any questions, and I will be able to send you the free voucher and the free training. Okay, so guess what? Also, if you fast forward this video up to the end of this, when you get into my DM, I'll ask you some few questions, and if you have not watched the full video, I'll be able to know, and I'll disqualify your voucher. Please, let's be honest. Let's be transparent with each other. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you on the team. Looking forward to help you make money. And thank you very much. This is Dennis Mwabu from Smart Kid FX, helping you grow and helping you crush the financial markets. See you on the other side. Have a good time.